Hey y'all, and thank y'all so much for clicking on today's video. If it's your very first time here, hey bro, hey sis, my name is Bianca, also known as Dr. My Curls. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing an unboxing, first impressions of my newest Fendi bag. So if you're interested in seeing it, stay tuned.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
So this bag is the Fendi Tresor mini bucket bag in the brown calf leather monogram. It does have the embossed black monogram motif with the metal details and the gold finish. Very lightweight bag. It's 0.5 kilograms. It also has the drawstring closure. So now that y'all got a closer view of this beautiful bag, I do want to give a huge shout out to Bag Bar or Steal for allowing me to rent this bag for 30 days. So the way that works is the website. It's 100% authentic luxury items from Chanel to Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Fendi, Burberry. They have all of the name brands that you could ever think of. YSL is also up there. And once you receive your bag, you have 30-day time period to rent the bag. So you can wear it, you can use it, all of those things. And then after that time is up, you just ship the bag back. You do have an option to extend it as well if you wish. Now, for me, I absolutely love this bag. I like to do the rental service because I feel like I don't always know if I'm 100% sure on if I want to purchase the bag. And the best way to try it out, in my opinion, is to rent it, right? I get to wear it, I get to use it day to day, kind of see the features I like, the pros and cons. And so I wanted to do this video for y'all so that I can also share some of the things that I love about this bag. First impression, I did not know that it came with this crossbody strap. I don't know why I thought it was just a top handle. So I love the crossbody strap. I will include some full body pictures here as well. That way you can see how it falls on me. I'm 5'7.5". I do have a plus size frame and I think it falls perfectly, like perfectly right at my hip. Now, if you do wish to detach the straps, you are able to do that as well. So very functional and a lot of different ways that you can wear this bag. The bottom of the bag does not have feet, so that could be a con for some. I personally can go either way. Like if it doesn't have feet, that's fine. But just so that you know, it does not have feet. Now, the actual closure here, this drawstring closure, I feel like in order to appreciate the name of the bag for what it is, the bucket bag, you have to cinch it in. Like if you leave it out, which you could do, it's going to give you more of a relaxed look and an open look, which I think is still cute. But once you pull those straps in and give it that full bucket look, I feel like it's more appealing. I don't know, just my opinion. Now on the inside of the bag, you do have this suede gray detail and you do have the Fendi on the inside as well. Now the piece that I thought was cool too, you can actually pull the inside out. I don't know what reasons you would need to pull this out, but if you ever needed to pull it out maybe for a deep clean and you can leave this part out to let it dry, that is an option as well. I will also say the interior is deep enough of a color where you don't have to worry about marks like pen marks, lipsticks, all of those stains showing. However, also be careful. Me personally, I have a pouch where I keep all of those items in to make sure that I'm not marking the interior. But if you are someone that just kind of throws your stuff in, you don't have to worry about scuffing the inside as much or it being as visible because of the color. The strap detail here does have the Fendi logo on the side. I think the leather is very durable. Like I don't feel like I have to be extra cautious with this bag. I almost feel like I could toss it around and it would be okay. The detail on the side actually reminds me of the Fendi earrings. I will say the weight of this bag is not heavy at all. Like 0.5 kilograms, you can barely feel it in your hand. And even with items in it, I don't feel like, even though the strap looks very skinny, it doesn't like indent into your shoulders or apply too much pressure or strain. You can hardly feel that it's in there. So I don't know what they did with maybe the leather when they were designing the strap, or the weight of the bag is just like evenly distributed, but you can't feel, in my opinion, the bag being actually heavy even when it's stuffed with all of your items. So I think that's a plus as well. Now I do love big bags usually, but this one I feel like is very much, you can dress it up, dress it down, you can wear it for a date night, but also you could do a casual, which I love purses that can go both ways. And I'll actually show y'all what's in my bag right now. All right, so what's in my bag? When you open it up, I do have my phone here. So I have a card holder. This, I just keep my gift cards in. It's like another card holder. Also have another card holder. This one I usually keep my receipts in. And then I actually got this from Bag Bar Steel. This is where I keep all of my lip glosses, makeup, mirror, anything that could potentially stain the inside of my bag. And then also my keys as well. And that's pretty much it. So it does hold a lot of items, in my opinion. This is way more than what I would need every single day. You could fit a small wallet in here. Let me grab one just so that I can show you. So a wallet this size could definitely fit in here if you wanted to do that instead of a card holder. So let me put everything back in and I can show you all what it looks like. That's all I have for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Huge thank you to Bag Bar Steel for allowing me to borrow this bag for the next 30 days. If y'all want me to do any other videos on the bag, please comment below. I am strongly considering purchasing it. So let me know below if you also are considering purchasing it. And if you have not already subscribed and you did enjoy this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Here on my channel, I do videos every week. So come back next week for the next video. Other than that, I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.